Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Fire TV stick which is showing no signal and with black screen. So here's a guide for your HDMI input not working. Fix 1. Restart your Fire TV device. Restart your Fire TV device as the first step before changing any connections. If the screen is too black to navigate, unplug the power cable. Wait for a moment and plug it back in. Fix 2. Use original connection equipment. Use the connection equipment and power adapter that came with your device rather than third party hardware. Insufficient power is a common, easy to miss cause of black or unresponsive screens. Fix 3. Confirm receiver or soundbar input. Confirm that any AV receivers or soundbars connected to your Fire TV are turned on and set to the correct active input. Connect your Fire TV device directly to your television to rule out receiver hardware conflicts. Fix 4. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI connection. Disconnect your Fire TV from the TV's HDMI port, then plug it back in firmly. Be sure that your HDMI cable is fully and securely connected at both the ends. Fix 5. Try a different HDMI cable or hub. Try replacing your HDMI cable or HDMI hub with a brand new replacement. Use a certified high speed HDMI cable for streaming high bandwidth titles in 4K Ultra HD. Fix 6. Match the TV input to the correct HDMI port. Match your TV remote source or input button selection into the physical HDMI port that your Fire TV is plugged into. Verify that your TV is powered on, set to the matching active HDMI channel. Fix 7. Toggle HDMI CEC device control off and on. Go to Settings. From your Fire TV menu, select Display and Sounds. Then select HDMI CEC device control. Turn the setting off and then back on to reset the communication protocol. Fix 8. Cycle through available resolutions. Press and hold the up and rewind buttons together on your remote for 5 seconds. Allow the system to cycle through all available resolutions to automatically select a supported output format. Fix 9. Confirm your TV is HDCP compliant. Confirm that your TV is HDCP compliant by reviewing the video cable section of your TV owner's manual. Older televisions sometimes lack the modern display security standards, which is needed to show the Fire TV stick's output. Fix 10. Check TV firmware or test with another TV. Check your television settings menu for available firmware updates. If possible, try using a different TV to isolate whether the issue is in the Fire Stick or the original television. Fix 11. Factory reset as your last resort. Press and hold the back button and right button together for 10 seconds. Select the on-screen option to continue with the clean factory reset. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.